Hi everyone! Welcome back to ms.craftsalots Lair. I am Barbie. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Beloit, Wisconsin. And today I am here to show you how to make this card. Fridays are usually my fun fold days. So you're usually having Fun Fold Friday. What inspired me to make this card is kind of a fun fold. It's a money gift card that my mother-in-law I found in my mother-in-law's stuff. And I thought it was cute, and I thought gift card, but it didn't turn out exactly the way I wanted it to. So I have this version of a gift card holder, and inside is a little pocket that you can put your gift card. Okay, you can either slide it in that way or you can slide it in this way, depending on which way, how you feel safer putting it in. But I have my nice savings card from my no longer around Shopco. We'll survive it. But our stamp set that we're using today is the Butterfly Wishes. I was thinking, when I started with the DSP, I'm like, you know, instead of doing a Butterfly Wishes theme, with this DSP, it could totally turn into more of a home, either a home improvement card or housewarming card. So you could tuck away, say, a gift card to a lumberyard or home remodeling store. I could list a few, but I don't know if I'm just like not gonna say the actual names of these store, but my first piece of DSP here is the In Good Taste DSP. It is, I should probably go over this with you. This piece is 4 by 5 1/4. And then this piece is 2 1/4 by 4 1/4. These are pieces, like I had said before this week, and or earlier this week, I had said that I was doing the Love It, Chop It. And so this piece was actually a 5 1/2 by 4 1/4, and I just took a 1/4 inch off of 2 sides. One of the long sides, one of the short sides, obviously. And I got the 4 by 5 1/4. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that down. It's a pretty quick card today, so not too much stamping, but it is kind of a little bit of a fussy cut that we're going to have too. And another thing that I used, I should probably go into that, is the Trio Punch. I just know it's Trio Punch. There's something else in there. The actual name runs away. But while I'm here adhering DSP, I'm just going to go ahead and adhere this piece. And what I did was I just did a strip as close to the edge as possible on the bottom, on one short end, as close to the edge on the other short edge, and then as close to the edge on one long side, and that's not very close to the edge, but. And then I went ahead and put it on the far left hand side, because I am right-handed, so it just I automatically pull this way. But if you're giving it to a lefty, you can totally line it up and put it on this side, on the right side. Totally works. That's the joys of making your own cards. And so there we go. It's a little bit longer, so it doesn't want to fold right now. Go figure. Leave it to me to have a folding issue. I'm going to burnish it down. That totally works too. There we go. And so for ink, look at this. I did this again. For ink, we're going to use the basic gray. I have smoky slate on the back for the card base. Look at me. I'm in 6 different directions. So this is a piece of Whisper White. It is 1 1/4 inches by 2 inches. Yes. And the sentiment is going to go smack dab in the middle of this one. And then this is just a scrap piece of white that I have. And so this is going to be for the butterfly. And I love these distinctive stamps, because you stamp them, one stamp, and it gives you all these different colors. And so I think I've actually kind of had to grow into loving them. The first set I got, it didn't want to stamp right for me, but that was easily remedied. But I've not had a problem with this particular stamp set, so we're doing good. Now I'm going to go ahead and put this through the corner rounding part. I went through a phase where it's like everything had to have rounded corners. That was actually one of my first phases when it came to stamping. It's like, everything must have rounded corners. I love rounded corners. And then they retired a corner rounder, and so we didn't have that for a little bit. They retired it and brought me another corner rounder, so I'm satisfied. That was when I first started as a demonstrator. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to fussy cut this butterfly here real quick. And I will be right back with you, because you probably do not want to see me fussy cut. So I will be right back with you as soon as this butterfly is done being cut. And there we go. My butterfly is all cut out. And now I am able to sit here and I am going to layer it all for you. So I started off with the butterfly because I wanted the butterfly more in the center, and I wanted to make sure he was in the center. And so I'm going to take out my dimensionals, because we know I love my dimensionals. And I'm going to use some of these side pieces because they're a little bit smaller, easier to get in the wings and such. And then this bigger piece I'm going to put down here, because we know how I like to over-dimensional. And one more there, and I'm going to be happy. Take the backs off. And put him kind of there. You can go up a little higher this time, I think. And then this is going to get the adhesive, the tape runner. I would normally be saying snail. I have to get used to saying a new one. But I don't have the new one yet, so I'm not going to... Snail retired. We now have Stampin' Seal. I still need to get Stampin' Seal, so I'm using a tape runner. And here we go, a finished card. So you're able to stick your gift card right in there and either pass it or send it off. I hope you like this. Have a great evening. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this project, please like, share, subscribe, and watch more. You can find links to my Stampin' Up! Store, blog, dimensions, and the product list in the description below. Until next time.